Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Novation. I'm Shantanu and I welcome you all to a very important revision session जिसमें हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं important days and their themes के बारे में. So friends, we will see the important days from the month of September 2020 to February 2021. So this is going to be very important for all your upcoming exams. Hence मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप प्लीज़ वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए और जो लास्ट में असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन होगा उसको भी प्लीज़ आप अटेम्प्ट करिएगा. एंड फ्रेंड्स, वन मोर रिकमेंडेशन आई हैव इज दैट प्लीज़ हैव योर नोट्स कॉपी रेडी बिकॉज देयर विल बी मेनी थिंग्स विच यू विल नीड टू नोट डाउन जिसको आप रिवाइज करेंगे. Alright, so this is going to be very important and as always you can contact me on any of these social media platform if you have any query related to your preparation. I'll try to help you. And also please visit novation.in. Here you can get the free PDFs of these lectures. You can give various quizzes of various topics and साथ ही साथ अगर आपको Novation का content अच्छा लगता है तो आप Novation को support कर सकते हैं. So with that friends, I'll start today's session. So the first important day is National Science Day NSD 2021. So it will be celebrated on 20th February in this month. जो थीम होगी इसकी वो होगी Future of STI, Impact of Education, Skills and Work. Friends, STI का full form होता है Your Science, Technology and Innovation. Okay, so इसके बारे में कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ देख लेते हैं. NSD is celebrated every year on 28th February to mark the discovery of Raman effect. सो आपने ये इसके बारे में सुना होगा फ्रेंड्स. जो सर CV रमन थे उन्होंने इस इफेक्ट को फाइंड किया था और इसके लिए उन्हें नोबेल प्राइज भी मिला था फिजिक्स में. ओके, विल मूव फॉरवर्ड. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट डे इज इंटरनेशनल मदर लैंग्वेज डे ऑफ 2021. सो ये होगा सेलिब्रेट 21 फरवरी को, जिसकी थीम होगी फॉस्टरिंग मल्टीलिंगुअलिज्म फॉर इंक्लूजन इन एजुकेशन एंड सोसाइटी. अब ये दिवस क्यों मनाया जाता है? इट इज सेलिब्रेटेड टू स्प्रेड अवेयरनेस अबाउट द डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ लैंग्वेज एंड इट्स वेराइटी. और ये यूनेस्को ने 1999 में ये शुरू किया था. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next is International Day of Women and Girls in Science 2021. This this will be celebrated on 11th February और जो इसकी थीम होगी Women Scientists are at the forefront of fight against COVID-19. So again हर जो भी मोस्टली आप डेज देखेंगे उनमें COVID-19 का जिक्र बहुत ज़्यादा बार होगा. So this is again for the women scientists. The day recognizes the critical role of women and girls who play the critical role in science and technology. Next important day is International Day of Zero Tolerance of Female Genital Mutilation of 2021. So this day will be observed on 6th February and the theme will be No Time for Global Inaction, Unite, Fund and Act to End Female Genital Mutilation. Friends, जो female genital mutilation FGM है, what does this basically means? So it comprises of all the procedures by which someone mutilates, injures or alters the genitalia of females for non-medical reasons. Okay, so if for any non-medical reason this is done, then it is a violation of human rights. और कई सारी अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज में ये बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, which is a very wrong and dangerous thing for the females. So that is a violation of human rights. So उसके अगेंस्ट अवेयर करने के लिए ही ये डे ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next important day is World Cancer Day. It was celebrated on 4th February and its theme was I am and I will. So this day is basically observed to spread awareness about cancer because when cancer is in the initial stages, most of the time it is curable. So government and individual across the world should take action against this disease. Next we have World Wetlands Day of 2021. So this was observed on 2nd February. Its theme was wetland and water. So friends, wetlands are very very important for your biological cycle and biological system of our earth because 40% of world species live or breed in wetlands, yet they are disappearing 3 times faster than forest. So बहुत जल्दी diminish होते जा रहे हैं wetlands. So this day emphasizes on the importance of these wetlands and how we should protect our environment and these wetlands. Okay. Next, another very important day, World Leprosy Day. So leprosy is another very fatal disease and it is observed on last Sunday in January. The theme was Beat Leprosy and Stigma, Advocate for Mental Well-being. Now it is observed internationally to increase the public awareness about leprosy and the Hansen disease. Leprosy और Hansen disease दोनों same चीज़ें हैं. Next, and another very important day, National Voters Day of 2021. So this was celebrated on 25th January and its theme was Making Our Voters Empowered, vigilant, safe, and informed. And this day basically encourages our youth to participate in electoral process as much as possible, and that the right to vote is our basic birthright. And 25 January is also the foundation day of Election Commission of India, which came into existence in 1950. So this is also a very important point. We'll move forward. नेशनल यूथ डे, सो अभी हमने सेलिब्रेट किया था. इट वॉज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 12 जनवरी एंड द थीम वॉज चैनलाइजिंग यूथ पावर फॉर नेशन बिल्डिंग. और ये कब ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है दोस्तों? ऑन द बर्थ डे ऑफ स्वामी विवेकानंद जी. सो वी वॉन्ट टू पे रिस्पेक्ट टू हिम, पे होमेज टू हिम, एंड दैट्स वाई वी सेलिब्रेट द नेशनल यूथ डे. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज युवा दिवस. ओके. Next is Road Safety Week of 2021. So 11 to 17 January इस year हमने इसको observe किया था, and its theme was Save Yourself to Save Your Families. Okay, and this celebrated to create awareness about road safety and how to minimize road accidents and save many lives. Next we have Pravasi Bharatiya Divas 2021, very important one. So it was observed on 9th January 2021. And the theme was to contributing to Atmanirbhar Bharat. Now, what are Pravasi Bharatiya friends? So these are NRI people who actually live outside India. These are non-resident Indians, and we want to encourage and appreciate their contribution toward India's growth and India's nation building. Okay, so overseas Indian community for the development of India, we thank them. We thank their contribution to it. Next, National Consumer Rights Day of 2020. So it was celebrated on 24th December 21, and the theme was a sustainable consumer. So the Consumer Protection Act of 1986 in India, it came into effect on this day, 24th December, and it basically awares the consumer about their rights and also safeguarding the rights as a very important aspect of nation building. Next we have World Arabic Language Day of 2020. It was celebrated on 18th December, and its theme was Arabic Language Academics, Necessity or Luxury. So this day is observed to create and spread awareness about the history, culture and development of Arabic languages. Next we have International Migrants Day, another very important one, especially in the time of coronavirus. So it was observed on 18th December, and the theme was reimagining human mobility. So this day aims to raise awareness about the challenges and difficulties faced by migrants all over the world. Next we have International Universal Health Coverage of 2020. So it was observed on 12th December 2020, and the theme was Health for All, Protect Everyone. Now this day is promoted as a awareness day or an instrument to help advance the more broadly conceived human right to health, which is based upon number of international agreements or widely affirmed international documents. Next we have International Mountain Day, another important one. So it was observed on 11th December with the theme Mountain Biodiversity. Now this day is celebrated to raise awareness about the importance of mountains in our lives and for our planet Earth. Next we have Human Rights Day of 2020. So this is another very important day. So it was observed on 10th December with the theme Recover Better, Stand Up for Human Rights. Now this day basically encourages or educates people about their rights regardless of any race, color, religion, sex, language, birth, status, etc. Coming to the next one, International Anti-Corruption Day 2020. So it was observed on 9 December 2020 with the theme Recover with Integrity. Now this day basically raises awareness about corruption and measures that can be taken to fight corruption. So that's why this day is celebrated. Next we have International Civil Aviation Day of 2020. It was observed on 7 December 2020 with the theme of Advancing Innovation for Global Aviation Development. So as the name suggests, this day basically create awareness about the importance and the very necessary role played by the civil aviation community all over the world. Next, we have International Volunteer Day 2020. So this was celebrated on 5th December with the theme of Together We Can through volunteering. So this day basically recognizes and encourages the government to support the effort of volunteer and their contribution worldwide. Next important day we have is World AIDS Day of 2020. So this is about the deadly disease acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It was observed on 1st December 2020 with the theme of Global Solidarity Resilient HIV Service. So HIV is human immunovirus, which is the virus which causes this disease. So it was observed on 1st December to spread awareness about HIV epidemic and speak against the HIV stigma and call for increased response to move toward ending HIV. Now the next important day we have is International Day for Elimination of Violence Against Women 2020. So this was celebrated on 25th November with the theme of Orange the World, Fund, Respond, Prevent and Collect. So the objective of this day is celebrating the day is to eliminate and prevent violence against women and girls all over the world. Next, and another very important one, World Toilet Day of 2020. So it was observed on 19th November with the theme Sustainable Sanitation and Climate Change. Now this day is observed worldwide to raise awareness among the people about the importance of sanitation in our lives and reducing disease and creating healthier communities. Next we have International Men's Day of 2020. So this was celebrated on 19th November with the theme Better Health for Men and Boys. So it is celebrated to promote gender equality and sense of positive masculinity. The day focuses on health of men and boys. The next important day is World Diabetes Day of 2020. This was observed on 14th November and the theme was the nurse and diabetes. So this day is celebrated to make the people aware about the treatment, prevention and symptoms of diabetes. This day also emphasizes on to maintain healthy lifestyle and provide education regarding diabetes. Next we have National Ayurveda Day of 2020. So this day is observed every year on Dhanteras. So the theme was Ayurveda for COVID-19 pandemic, and this day is celebrated, as I told you, on Dhanteras, and the main objective is to focus on the strength of Ayurveda and its unique treatment principles. Next we have World Kindness Day of 2020, another important one. So it was observed on 13 November with the theme of The World We Make Inspire Kindness. So this basically encourages people to do good deeds in the society and be kind to everyone and show the power of positivity. Okay. Next we have World Cities Day of 2020, so observed on 31st October with the theme Valuing Our Communities and Our Cities. Now this day basically promotes and make people aware about the well-being in terms of good urbanization, push toward cooperation among countries in meeting opportunities and addressing challenges of urbanization. Next we have Vigilance Awareness Week 2020, very important. So this week is basically celebrated from 27th October to 2nd November with the theme Satark Bharat, Samradh Bharat, Vigilant India, Prosperous India. Now this week is basically observed to encourage everyone or every stakeholder in our country to be collectively participating in preventive vigilance measure against corruption, raising public awareness regarding the existence and gravity of the threat posed by corruption. So basically we want to fight against corruption. Next is World Polio Day of 2020. So it was observed on 24th October with the theme A Win Against Polio is a Win for Global Health. So as the name suggests, this day basically highlights the global efforts toward eradicating polio and making the world polio free. Okay, and it also honors the tireless contribution of the frontline warriors or the frontline doctors who are fighting with polio daily. Next we have United Nations Day of 2020. So it was observed on 24th October with the theme The Future We Want, the United Nations We Need, reforming our collective commitment to multilateralism. Now UN Day marks the anniversary of the entry into force in 1945 of the UN Charter. So UN Charter 1945 में लागू हुआ था, उसी डे को रिमेंबर करने के लिए यूनाइटेड नेशंस डे मनाया जाता है. आगे बढ़ते हैं. World Statistics Day 2020. So it was observed on 20th October in 2020 and the theme was Connecting the World with Data We Can Trust. So friends, this day basically is very important because statistics is the foundation stone of all the data analytics or machine learning or artificial intelligence we are seeing today. Most of it is based on the basics of statistics. Okay, moving forward. International Poverty Eradication Day of 2020. So it was observed on 17th October with the theme Acting Together to Achieve Social and Environmental Justice for All. Now this day is observed to raise awareness about the people who are struggling and living in poverty, and it is very necessary to remove poverty mainly in the developing and underdeveloped countries. Next, we have World Food Day, another important one. So it was observed on 16th October with the theme Grow, Nourish, Sustain Together. Our actions are our future. So this day generate awareness globally about those who suffer from hunger, and to ensure that every needy person should have food security and nutritious diet all the time. So it is basic. Food is a basic fundamental human right, and this we should understand. Next is Global Hand Washing Day, very important as the whole year it was all about washing your hands regularly. So it was observed on 15th October last year with the theme Hand Hygiene for All. So basically we are on this day we spread awareness about the importance of washing your hands regularly. Next, we have World Migratory Bird Day of 2020 observed on 10th of October with the theme Birds Connect Our World, because these migratory birds travel from far across the end of one part of the earth to another part. So they are basically connecting our world. So it is an annual awareness raising campaign for highlighting the need for the conservation of migratory birds and their habitats. Next we have is World's Teacher Day of 2020. It was observed on 5th October with the theme Teachers Leading in Crisis, Reimagining the Future. So this day basically raises awareness about the role of teachers in providing quality education to the children, and also makes the community of worldwide aware about the situations of the teacher. Okay. Next is International Translation Day of 2020. It was observed on 30th September with the theme Finding the Words for a World in Crisis. So again, we are hinting toward COVID-19. So this day basically raises awareness about the importance of translators and interpreters. So how important they are for the not just at international, national, but also at a local scale. Okay. Next important day is International Day for Universal Access to Information 2020. So this was observed on 28th September last year with the theme Access to Information, Saving Lives, Building Trust and Bringing Hope. Now this day basically awares us that universal access to information means that everyone has the right to seek, receive and impart information for healthy, inclusive, knowledgeable society. Next we have is World Tourism Day of 2020. So another important one. It was observed on 27 September with the theme Tourism and Rural Development. Now this day basically highlights the role played by tourism sector to preserve the culture and natural heritage all over the world. It acts as an auxiliary in safeguarding habitats and endangered species. Next we have World Environmental Health Day 2020, another important one. So it was observed on 26 September with the theme Environmental Health, a key public health intervention in disease pandemic prevention. So it is celebrated to shed light on important work of environment health around the world. Next is International Day of Peace, which is very important. It was observed on 21st September with the theme Shaping Peace Together. So this day recognizes the efforts of those people who have worked hard to end the conflict and set up peace in various parts of the world. Next, and another very important one, International Day of Democracy, and its theme was COVID-19, a spotlight on democracy. It was observed on 15 September, and it provides an opportunity for people to participate in democracy and urge the government to respect the rights of people. Next we have World First Aid Day of 2020. So it is celebrated on second Saturday of every year September, and the theme is last year it was First Aid Saves Life. So this creates awareness about the importance of first aid in preventing injuries and saving lives. Next is World Suicide Prevention Day of 2020, very important. So it was observed on 10 September with the theme Working Together to Prevent Suicide. So this day, as the name suggests, create awareness that suicide is not the answer to your problems. Suicide should be avoided and it can be prevented also. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द लास्ट वन, वर्ल्ड्स अल्जाइमर्स डे. सो फ्रेंड्स, आप मुझे बताइए डेट क्या है, थीम क्या है लास्ट ईयर की थीम, और पीटीएन जो कि आप मुझे इसके बारे में बता सकते हैं कि व्हाई दिस डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड. तो ये तीनों चीज़ें आप मुझे असाइनमेंट के रूप में कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा. So friends, with that we come to an end to this exciting session, and thanks a lot for watching the video till the end. I hope the video was helpful. So please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Novation for more such important videos on current affairs, business awareness, static GK and VARC. And as always, I'll request you that please visit novation.in. और अगर आपको Novation का कंटेंट अच्छा लगता है तो आप डोनेट बटन पे जाके Novation को सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं. Novation really needs your support. Alright friends, so with that I'll close today's session. I'll meet you again next time. Until then, bye bye and please take care.